Hello and welcome to our podcast. I'm Anissa, and in this episode, we are diving into a very meaningful topic inclusive teaching. Classroom todays are more diverse than ever. Students come from different cultures, speak different language, and have different learning needs. Inclusive teaching is about ensuring that all students regardless of background ability, feel support, value, and able to participate fully in learning. I'm joined by two great friends and guests, Valerin and Sarah. Hi, both glad to have you here.
Hi, Anissa. Glad to be here.
Hi, thanks for inviting us. We are excited to about the
Let's begin with the basics. Valerin, how would you define inclusive teaching and why do you think it matters?
Thanks, Anissa. To me, inclusive teaching means recognizing that students don't all learn the same way. Some have learning disabilities, some face learning language barriers, and others might just need a different kind of support and succeed. As teacher, we have to create a space where every student can engage, participate, and grow regardless their starting point. That might mean using different types of materials, offering flexible ways to complete assignments, or encouraging group work where students support each other. It's not about giving special treatment, it's about giving equal opportunity.
That's a powerful way to be that. Sarah, can you walk us through some strategies that help create an inclusive classroom?
Sure. One strategy I found really useful is giving a student option to show what they learn instead of assigning phase of or tab. Let student create a video, do a presentations, or even design a poster. I also believe in collaborative learning, grouping students with different strengths so they can learn from each other and don't forget the importance of clear instruction and checking in with students regularly. A simple "Do you need help?" or "Is that clear?" can make a hard difference. Visual charts and interactive active also helps learners who struggle with text video listen.
I agree. Sometimes it's the little things that help students feel seen and understood. Now, let's talk about reality. What are the main challenges teachers face when trying to implement inclusive practice? Valerin?
Uh, In my opinion, one major challenge is time. Teachers are already juggling so much, and planning for diverse learners takes extra effort. It's not always easy to adapt materials or design multiple activities. Another issue is the lack of training. Many teachers aren't taught how to support students with special needs or multilingual backgrounds. So even if they want to help, they may not know how. That's why professional development and school support are so important.
I at the class size can also be a barrier. It's so hard to give every student the attention they need when you're managing 35 or more students, but even in the big classes, small adjustment can help. For example, offering flexible deadlines, providing extra support during group work, or just being approachable and empathy, it all contributes to a more inclusive environment.
Absolutely. Sometimes just showing empathy and being open to students needs making big impact. Let's each share one key takeaway for our listeners. Sometimes something teachers can keep in mind as they work toward more inclusive classroom.
Uh, my takeaway would be listen to your students. They will often let you know what they need, maybe not directly, but through their behavior, their participation, or their silence. Pay attention and adjusting based on those signals is really powerful.
Uh, for me, it's about being international. Inclusion doesn't just happen, it takes conscious effort. We need to plan for it, reflect on our methods, and be willing to try new things if something is not working.
And I'd say keep learning. Inclusive teaching isn't something we master overnight, but by saying staying curious and committed to improvement, we can create classroom that truly support every learner. Thank you, Valerin and Sarah, for sharing your insight. And to everyone listening, thank you for joining us. We hope this episode gave you practical ideas and encouragement. Let's continue working toward a future where every student feels included, supported, and empowered to success. To succeed. Until next time.